In this lesson, we will focus on how to delete a file and a folder in Python. So, to do this, we need a new module named os module, and for each code, we need to import this module to use remove functions or methods. So, first of all, let's create a file here, and this file will be myfile.txt, and I'll also create a folder and my folder. Let's say my folder. And now we will learn how to delete these two, one file and a folder. So to do this, firstly I'll import os module, import os, and then I will use os remove methods, and I will give myfile.txt. Yes, as you can see here, my file is here, and after this command, it will be removed. So yes, it is removed, and because of I double clicked, it has given an error because the second time it did not find my file. So to show you again, let's create another file here, abc file, and this time I'll remove abc. Yes, as you can see, it is removed. And now let's remove folder, and for this we'll use rm-dir methods, and let's write this dual command again, and this time I will give the name of this is my folder. And yes, it is removed, so there is nothing named my folder here. Yes, this is basically how to use os module and how to remove files and folders in Python.